Walk-up amendment bill passed in Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha passed the Walk-up amendment bill with 288 votes in its favor and 232 votes against it. After discussion that lasted over 10 hours, the changed bill said that at least two non-Muslim should be part of the Waqf boards. During the debate, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju said even the parliament during parliament building was being claimed as Waqf property. Gangs takes lessons from money heist, loots SBI of 13 crore rupees gold in Karnataka. A 30 years old man carried out a robbery at SBI in Karnataka's debentures last year, drawing inspiration from money heist and YouTube tutorials, said police. He had approached SBI for 15 lakh rupees loan. His loan application was, however, rejected, permitting him to think of other means to obtain the money. Police recovered gold worth 13 crore rupees and arrested 6 people. How much land do Waqf board own and what are their powers? According to Center, Waqf board currently control 8.7 lakh properties spanning 9.4 lakh acres across India and are the largest urban land landowners. The property is estimated to be worth 1.2 lakh crore, comprise the largest Waqf holding in the world, government said. Waqf board are empowered to administer Waqf properties, sanction their transfer through sale, gift, etc., and recover lost properties. Boa Vai's revenue surged 500% from 5 crore rupees to 30 crore rupees. Bangalore-based Boba Bhai, a quick service restaurant brand specializing in double tea, saw its net revenue surge 500% to 30 crore rupees in final year 25 from 5 crore rupees in the previous fiscal year. The startup is currently generating 4 crore rupees in monthly revenue. It is reportedly seeing a strong traction from the quick commerce channel. Terra Software receives a letter of intent worth 273.12 crore in UP. Terra Software Limited has received letters of intent LOIs worth 273.12 crore from Madhyanchal Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited MVVNL 4 meter reading will generation, distribution and collection service. The project span three clusters in Uttar Pradesh and will be executed over 2 years, making a significant operational expansion. No cuts apex hike. No cuts apex hiked to 11.21 lakh crore rupees for final year 26. FM Sitaraman, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaraman denied ex-Finance Minister P. Chidambaram claims that the government has cut capital expenditure. The capex numbers have risen from BE 23 to 24 at 10.01 lakh crore rupees to BE 24 to 25 at 11.11 lakh crore rupees. The BE 25 to 26 of for capex stands at 11.21 lakh crore rupees. He said the called Chitambram claims misleading and based on flabbed comparison. Government losses 1,757 crore rupees as BSNL fails to bill Reliance Jio. CAG. Government-owned BSNL did not bill Reliance Jio Infocom Limited for the additional technology in sharing of passive infrastructure, resulting in loss of revenue of 1,757.76 crore rupees in CAG report said. The loss was accumulated between May 2014 to March 2024. The report also highlighted wasteful expenditure due to idling of higher size PIJF underground cables worth 80.64 crore rupees by BSNL.